Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DJI Osmo Action for transferring photos to iPhone. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable the DJI Osmo Action 4 to transfer photos to your iPhone, start by ensuring that both devices are charged and ready. First, download the DJI Mimo app from the App Store on your iPhone. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, power on your DJI Osmo Action 4 by pressing the power button located on the camera. On the camera's screen, swipe left to access the settings menu. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and enable Wi-Fi connectivity. Make a note of the Wi-Fi name and password displayed on the screen. Now, on your iPhone, go to the Wi-Fi settings by opening the Settings app. Locate the Wi-Fi network name corresponding to your DJI Osmo Action 4 and select it. Enter the password as shown on the camera's display to connect your iPhone to the camera. Once connected, return to the DJI Mimo app. In the app, select the Media tab to access your photos and videos stored on the Osmo Action 4. Here, you will see all the media files available for transfer. Select the photos you want to transfer by tapping on them. After selecting, look for the download icon and tap it to start the transfer process. The app will indicate when the transfer is complete. You can now find the downloaded photos in your iPhone's photo gallery. To ensure everything is working properly, view a few photos to confirm they have been successfully transferred. If needed, repeat the process for additional photos you wish to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.